This is Dorothy Taylor, and she's not your typical grandma. She plays the drums better than some young guys I know. She's a beast. How a nuclear power plant refuels its nuclear charges. They have to do it every 12 months by filling up the tanks with water. It's incredible the different shapes that this single art piece has just by moving to another perspective or looking at it from a different angle. At first sight, it looks like a normal fan, but it's powered by nothing less than a flame. Yes, the heat of the flame creates energy to move the fans, and honestly, it's more satisfying to watch. This is a light spark that was caught in camera, devouring every piece of electricity around it. It's very cool, and it's not fake, by the way.
There it goes!
Hope you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe, and until the next time, bye.